This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the tail end of test days at the Simeone Foundation's Simeone Museum in Philadelphia. This is the race cars of Ferrari. We'll go over what each car is in the descriptions. You'll also hear them in other videos. At the very end, I could finally get in to see these cars. They are just absolutely stellar. These are what the cars are made of. I've got to get myself a photo of me in there. That's pretty cool. And of course, there's the TR.
That's great. Thank you. That's perfect. Thank you.
Just gorgeous. These are legends. How to catch a GTO. The GTO didn't run today. I do have videos of her in other scenes from the Simeone Museum. But the LM, the Ferrari LM, did run. Definitely have to catch it. This is a gorgeous car, which is run. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. Your calendar of events for all things on wheels at the Simeone Foundation Museum in Philadelphia.